Engines produce a lot of heat and friction, and over time that causes wear. So manufacturers have engineered specific oils for your engine in order to reduce that. Over time, oils will break down, and that's why they need to be replaced. All manufacturers have different requirements. We recommend about 6,000 kilometers or 6 months, and that usually covers them all. A common misconception about warranty is that if the failure of a component happens within so many months or so many kilometers, that it will be covered. But you have to be able to prove that you've done all of your scheduled maintenance up until that point. If you're not able to do so, then most likely your coverage will be declined. And that's why it's important to keep up with your maintenance.